Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous two videos, I told you that even though we are moving below than this support of the rising wedge pattern and also this very strong support of $39,500, but we need the closing. If the closing will be below this support, these supports levels, then there will be a critical situation. Otherwise, if we will have a closing above these levels, the support levels like the rising wedge pattern and this $39,500 support level, then the situation can be under control and we can expect a move up to the resistance again. And in my last video, I told you that we have a bullish divergence flashed while the price line was testing the support of the rising wedge pattern. This was the video, and therefore now we can hope that the price line will start a move towards the upside from here. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And we should remember that we have already broken out a very big down channel, and we are stuck inside this rising wedge pattern. And this EMA 21 has now become a big hurdle for the price line. You can see we have rejected here, we have another rejection here, we have another rejection here and here, and this was the last rejection that we had on 21st of April, and we again dropped down even below than the support of the rising wedge pattern, and we had a drop up to $38,202, and now we are recovered back, and again we are very close to this resistance of EMA 21. But this time there is a probability that the price line may break out this EMA 21, because we have a bullish divergence flashed on the daily time frame. You can see here price line formed this low. We formed this low here, and the next low that the price line is likely to form now is lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the stochastic just below the price line, you can see that it has formed this low, and the next low is higher than previous low. Price line is forming lower than previous low, and stochastic is failed in reaching and forming another lower than previous low, and it is forming higher one. And if we watch this, the RSI, the relative strength index, that is also doing the same as the stochastic is doing and forming higher low than previous low. And before that, we had a hidden bullish divergence flashed on the chart. Like price line formed this low, the next low was higher than previous low. And if we take a look at the stochastic, it was forming lower than previous low and moving against the price line. And here the RSI also moved lower than previous low and formed another lower than previous low. That was a hidden bullish divergence, and now there is a bullish divergence, a regular bullish divergence flashed on the chart. Therefore, this time there is a probability that we may break out this EMA 21, and after that I'm expecting that once we will be able to break out this EMA 21, then it can lift the price line and take up to the resistance of the rising wedge pattern. And this time the resistance will be approximately at $49,200 or $300. So next few hours are very important. We are very close to EMA 21, and we need to keep an eye on this move. I'm expecting that during this attempt we can break out this EMA 21, and then we can move at least up to the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And definitely the volume is very important. We need a volume like here we had. Right now you can see that the buying volume is coming into the market, but so far there is not that much powerful buying volume like we had here and here and here. So we need to keep an eye on the volume as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.